Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Alpha Infernape in Pokémon Arceus. Start by tracking volcanic regions and magma clusters to raise encounter odds, then move slowly to avoid alerts. Use a Pokémon with False Swipe and a status inducer to safely lower HP and stay in control. Keep quick balls handy and heal between attempts. Persistence and patience will reward your search with that rare Alpha encounter. Alpha encounters concentrate in hot zones, so focus on volcanic peaks and magma fields when roaming the map for Alpha Infernape. Monitor weather and time of day, because spawn rates can shift with conditions, and adjust your route accordingly. Share and compare spawn reports with friends to refine locations, then stake out prime spots with stealthy approaches and ready heals to maximize your chances during each search session. Prepare a compact team that covers fire and fighting moves while prioritizing capture tools and survivability for Alpha Infernape hunts. Pack a false swipe user plus a status inducer like sleep or paralysis, and bring revives, status healers, and stat buffers to handle boosted attacks. Keep multiple ball types available and rotate healing between fights so you can stay out longer and react when an Alpha suddenly appears.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.